Hello, my name is Catherine. I'm an astrophysicist at the University of Leeds and I study the formation of planets. One question that I'm often asked is, why is our solar system so weird? Closest to the Sun, we have small rocky planets with thin atmospheres, and these are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And farther out we have the massive gas-rich planets with thick atmospheres, and these are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So our solar system has two distinct populations of planets that are very different from each other. And also, the most massive planets lie in the outer solar system, which is weird because most of the mass is concentrated in the Sun in the centre. So how did this happen? Our solar system formed from a disk of rock, gas and ice that orbited the Sun just after it formed. The gas mass distribution in this disk looks something like this, more concentrated towards the young Sun. As you move away from the Sun, which is the main source of heating, the disk becomes colder and colder, and at some distance the temperature is low enough for water ice to condense on rock surfaces, and this is what we call the snow line. The snow line in the disk around our young Sun sat about the location of the current asteroid belt. Inside our snow line we only had rock available for building planets, whereas outside the snow line we had both rock and ice. And this allowed the planets forming beyond the snow line to grow big enough to collect a massive gas-rich envelope and grow into the gas giants that we have today. So we might expect this to be a feature of all planetary systems, but so far this is not what is found. Here are planets found around other stars, the so-called exoplanets, as a function of their size and the time it takes for them to go around their star. I compare with the Earth and with Jupiter as representatives of our solar system planets. Compared with known exoplanets, these two types of planets are very, very rare. However, note this big blank area to the bottom and to the right of the plot. This region is very challenging for current telescopes to probe, hence in the coming decades, we have several frontier missions dedicated to finding exoplanets in this region, and that will determine once and for all just how weird we are.